we have this ascending tunnel and the price is going up, down, up. Look at where we are now. So if you are considering buying at this level, you have to first and foremost consider the fact that we've not actually gotten to a key supply zone, right? We've not actually gotten to a key supply zone. Let's take this way. Okay, we got to this eye and now we are here. So it is expected for it to come back down a little bit to maybe this zone before we shoot back up, and I'll explain why shortly. Okay, so this is the way the pattern has been for some time. Let me try to again. It went up, down, down, and now it is here, but we're expecting it to come down to this level before going back up. So if you should buy at this level and you are using a very short stop loss, you may actually get kicked out of the trade because it's expected to come back down a little bit before it continue its upward rally. Okay, so if you look at it properly, you see that there is a key resistance zone at this level, support and resistance zone. You see at this point it corresponds to this point, and we have another point here. So we're expecting the price to come down. Let's try to get the zone properly. Okay, so you see it hits the zone at this level, then we have another point of contact at this level and another one here at this level before it went back up. So now the price is here. It's actually expected, or it will not be a surprise if the price come back down to this same key level before it push back up. So if you are thinking of buying at this level, you just have to be careful, because with a tight stop loss you may actually get kicked out of the trade. So it's always important to be patient and wait for the trade to come to you rather than you running to the trade and trying to jump into the trade. Although the RSI has shown us that we are actually at the oversold position, but that notwithstanding, we don't have any major demand around this level, right? So there's no major demand around this level, so we're expecting the price to fall back down to where we'll get a lot of buy entrance, which is this key resistance support level. So this key resistance and support level is the level whereby most traders that intend to buy Pepe will be hoping for the price to fall to before they buy. So this price is most likely going to fall to this level before it moves back up. Alright, so that's for Pepe USDT.